Hello, my dear parents. Today, I want to talk about a very important aspect about bringing up your children, that is, teaching them their right to be respected. I'm Commander Bimal Raj. I'm the founder of Insightful Parents. I'm an internationally certified trainer and an executive coach and a teen parenting mentor. Now, when coming back to the subject, I've seen a lot of parents taking their children for granted, and they talk to them in such a way that they would never even dream of talking to their colleagues or their close friends or even family members. A lot of children are not given the basic respect of an individual who may have his own thoughts and opinion that need to be considered. Now, teach your children respect by respecting them, their opinion, their viewpoint, and even their suggestions. You may not agree with them, but do not dismiss them. Do not trash it out. I've seen a lot of parents, calling them names, taunting them, and just trashing their suggestions, calling them as childish. Now, when this constantly happens, that becomes their default way of operating. And when they grow up, they will start taking bad treatment from their coworkers, from their spouse, and everybody around them. All right. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Will you stay with a person who does not respect you, your thoughts, your beliefs, your action? It's constantly critical about any suggestion that you give? No, right? It's the same with kids. If you want your kids to respect you, you need to respect them first. Else, naturally, they will want to prefer to spend more time with their peers and their friends, because among friends, remember, they always get respect. What kind of friendship, irrespective of what kind of friendship they have, because their thoughts are respected. They're never trashed as childish. So remember, irrespective of who you are and where you've reached in life, respect is always a two-way street, whether it's your colleague or even if it's your children. Thank you.